Salut and welcome to my French listening practice series for beginners. This is part 9 of the series and I'm back with a new A1 A2 level audio to improve your French listening skills. Here, you will hear a short French audio twice. First time with no subtitles and second time with subtitles. Then I will show you 5 multiple choice questions from the audio to test your understanding and you will have 25 seconds to answer them. So ready? Let's go. First I'm playing the audio without subtitles, so listen carefully.
Bonjour, je voudrais réserver 2 billets pour le cinéma, s'il vous plaît. Le film s'appelle Le Voyage magique. Il commence à 19h, ce soir. Je préfère des places au milieu, si possible. Mon nom est Clara Martin. Voici mon numéro de téléphone, 01 40 22 56 79. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée.
So you have listened to the audio without subtitles. Now let's listen it again, this time with subtitles.
Bonjour, je voudrais réserver 2 billets pour le cinéma, s'il vous plaît. Le film s'appelle Le Voyage magique. Il commence à 19h, ce soir. Je préfère des places au milieu, si possible. Mon nom est Clara Martin. Voici mon numéro de téléphone, 01 40 22 56 79. Merci beaucoup et bonne journée.
Great job. Now let's see how well have you understood. I will now show you 5 multiple choice questions from the audio and you will have 25 seconds to answer them. Your time starts now. Now it's time to evaluate yourself. So let's check the answers. So these are the answers to these questions. How many did you answer correctly? Nailed it or need more practice? Let us know your score in the comments. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more French listening practice every week. Merci, à bientôt!